oyster mushroom.
Oyster mushrooms.
And this way we have the lady first. Yeah, this is elephant ears mushroom. Okay. Most mushroom they don't like the sun. They need to grow in the dark area. But in Thailand and in our farm today it's very hot. And you will see it dry like this. If the sun strong, it's gonna dry like this. It's not good. In the house here, they need the temperature allow just 20 or 23 degree. In the mushroom, everyone, you may see in the plastic bag. It's made from the sawdust, sawdust, the wood. They make it small pieces mixed with a lot of things. And after that, they take to steam, allow 3 hours. 3 hours already, they take it out, put the spore on top, and close it allowed 1 month. 1 month already, the plastic bag turn to white color. You open them, it's grow every day. Allow 4 or 5 months, it's gonna die. If you see the plastic bag turn to black like this, it die. If it's always white like this, it's gonna grow every day. Just 24 hours. If you see it's small like this, tomorrow it's like this. It's very fast. If you take care, it's well. But now it's very hot, and this mushroom, the plastic here is 4 or 5 months already. It's gonna we're gonna change the new one inside. That's one we call Chinese morning glory. You see the big leaf and big stem like this, we call Thai morning glory. But this stem have a lot of benefit. It's good for your eyes. Thai people we take to steam, make soup, stir fry. You may see the stir fry and have like a fire. That's one. Morning glory finish this way. Do you know this one? Sean, you
Pumpkin,
know.
yes, but I don't know. I don't know.
Really?
I don't know
You
the name for pumpkin.
Maybe.
I eat this. Yeah, I love
Pumpkin.
this pumpkin.
In Thailand we call fak tong. Fak tong is a pumpkin. If it's winter melon squash, we call fak kiao. It's just vegetable. The name, just the name.
Oh.
That one you can say that word.
No,
This one.
if you heard the word in the market in the walking street,
kiao.
fak kiao, fak tong is just vegetable. You know spring bean,
Yeah.
snake bean, the long bean.
Yeah.
We call tua fak yao. Just the name.
Say again.
Tua fak yao.
Tofak yao.
Yeah, just the name, different meaning.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Pumpkin, you
It just depends on what you need to say.
Chris, Chris, you can eat the leaf of the pumpkin, the young pumpkin or the old one like this.
Yeah.
Can you to make you can stir fry, steam, cook for dessert. In Thailand, it's very popular. I know you try the seed of the pumpkin.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, it is.
Huh.
The young leaf
I
like
grow
that.
this, but in my yard the deer ate the leaves, so I have to grow them in a under.
It's easy to grow for the pumpkin and stir fry. Holy basil. We add this one.
This is-
You can smell and put it back to the basket we use for your soup.
This is the basil.
This one, holy basil.
Holy basil.
It's a little pepper.
We have 2 colors.
It's hot, right? It's spicy.
This one spicy and hot. Smells nice.
You the one carry everything? Thank you.
Put in the basket because we use for stir fry. Holy basil is hot and spicy, but a lot of people they like to make a tea, stir fry, make a soup.
This is normal basil or holy
It's the
basil?
same holy.
It's the same. How come it
Just
doesn't look the
different.
same?
This one red
Purple leaf,
holy.
red leaf,
This is green holy, but the red one is stronger.
Oh, I
We
see.
use the red and green together. For the holy basil is hot, it's good for mouth care and digestion. Yeah, good for your stomach. Coffee lime smells good.
That's what does it.
Coffee lime. This one is coffee lime leaf in the curry in the soup, and this is a coffee lime fruit. Today we use this coffee lime fruit. We peel the skin.
Smells nice.
To make your curry paste.
Anybody want to smell it?
You can smell when you squeeze. It's all aroma
It's
come out.
definitely in curry, right? This
In a curry, in a soup. If you
Yes,
go to
smells
massage or
good.
spa, you will get this.
Lemon basil.
This one sweet basil.
Okay.
The sweet one smell like anise.
Right.
Some people tell like a sambuca.
booga.
The drink, sambuca drink.
Yeah. Right.
So this one we add for green, red, and panang. This one no this not for today, but you can use to salad, use to make soup, for stir fry too. Lemon. For the lemon, it's have the flower here. If it's old, you can take the seed and soak in the water, drink like a diet. Diet for the flower. Thai coriander or big leaf coriander we use to make salad. Chicken salad, pork salad, you can eat it raw. You can try to eat it raw. I like to eat it with the fish. Banana flower, you can eat it raw. Just you peel the skin, the red one out. Inside have the young, have the white and a little bit yellow. You can eat it raw with pad thai. Stir fry, soup, salad, or deep fry. So the flower is good for your blood. Thai people we eat a lot when they have a baby. Good for mom. If you have baby, you can eat the flower. It's good for your milk. Support your milk. Thai people we eat a lot. You can eat stem of banana. Banana stem when you peel the skin. Inside have the young stem white color. They chop them, cook with the chicken, with the pork, with the noodle. It's good too. For the leaf, you can wrap the food. Take
Right.
to grill, take to steam, make the food have a good smell.
Yes.
Have you tried
Yes.
tobacco? The wrap tobacco.
Tobacco, smoking. Yeah, they dry the leaves out
Yeah, they
and
use the brown leaf, the dry one. And the green one is can get the fly. Okay, everyone, this is the turmeric. Kurkuma. The root here. Today we use the root. The root for your curry paste. It's a yellow one. We have the green. We have the white turmeric and the blue one too. The white one you can eat fresh like vegetable. But this one you can squeeze. You can squeeze the juice, mix with lime, with honey, drink. It's good for your stomach, reduce the heart disease. Good for your skin too.
did you say heart disease?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Really?
Yes.
I
And
take turmeric.
you can eat it fresh. Yeah. Turmeric
That's 1,000 milligrams.
Mosquito
Just buy
bite
the
you can
pills
use
and
to
pop them.
revise. It's
They're good for inflammation. Really
Can
good.
protect mosquitoes
Yeah.
and candida. We use this Thai eggplant for green and red curry. Sweet taste. This one tastes good. For me, I like to stir fry. But your cost today add in curry. You may see only in Asia or in Thailand a lot. But your country, you have only the big one.
Yeah.
Don't use for your curry.
No.
Because it tastes different. Aubergine. It have more water when you're cooking and it's soft, not tasty like this one. If you can't find this eggplant, you can use the carrot. Carrot, broccoli.
So can you just put that whole inside coconut milk?
Which one?
Yeah, can you put it inside with the coconut milk don't cut it? Just put it inside with the coconut?
For me, I don't like that because
No.
it's big and if you cook just time, it's not cooked. You can
Oh,
cook in half or 4 pieces.
then it cooks faster.
Yes.
Okay.
Some people they don't like, but a lot of people out in Thailand they like it because it's good for
Oh, these things, yeah.
glucose.
Baby
Yeah,
eggplants.
baby.
Very baby.
Yeah, and how?
Baby and taste bitter.
Yeah,
Very bitter.
yeah. How long do you cook? Does it take to cook those?
Just cook like vegetable,
Yeah.
just 5 to 10 minutes.
That's
it's
it?
cooked. Yeah, that's it. You can
Oh.
eat it raw, but taste is bitter.
Yeah.
Not too bad, not too bad.
Well,
Sean.
after it's cooked, it still tastes bitter, but
Yeah,
not
it's still-
as bitter, right?
Yeah. Not too much when you cook already. Not too bad and not too good for baby one. Green curry, you can taste. This one spicy medium for Thai. Thai people we eat a lot of chili with rice. If you cook the food is spicy, you have with rice, it's tasty. And chili have a lot of benefit.
Yes.
It's good. This one, chili can help you burn your fat, anti-aging, antioxidant. So if you eat a little bit per day, it can help you sleep well. But don't eat too much. A bit aroma oil in the stem. You to make a spray. You can use to protect mosquito, you to make shampoo, but today we use to make your soup and curry paste. So this one is tasty if you cut small, but if you cut big, don't eat.
This
You
was
want-
salmon.
Have you tried lemongrass?
Oh yeah. With salmon.
With salmon.
Oh, that sounds.
Mix them. Use the salmon cooked with a lemongrass. Not cooked, just to eat it raw. For the lemongrass, you can make a tea. Smash it, boil the leaf and stem in the hot water. When you want to drink, salt a little bit and sugar or honey in drink is very good. Lemongrass. Galanga, Thai ginger.
Thai ginger, right?
Galanga or Thai ginger, this
Oh my
one hot and
God.
spicy. Don't eat for today. If you want to eat, you can eat, but it's hot and spicy. Good for your brain, support your brain and your stomach for detox.
What part do you eat?
We use the root.
Okay.
The root, but if you see the young tree, the young, they peel and eat it too. Now you can eat. Thai people we call Thai vanilla, bai tơi.
Bai
Bai
tơi.
tơi. They used to deep fry with pork, with meat. A lot of things deep fry with this make the food have a good smell. You can cook with your rice. See the young leaf like this, the young one like this, you can steam or stir fry with oyster sauce. It's very good too.
How do you know when the passion fruit is ready?
Yellow.
It goes yellow.
Then it's turned to yellow. Like, that one is not yet. Like, it's just green and yellow. When it's all yellow,
Yeah.
or you see some Passion fruit we have many color. When it's old, it's turn to yellow, turn to red, turn to the purple like oboshi.